is a language, Urdu. Here's my problem. You are not English. Maybe.
I'm not English.
Maybe. Who is this country?
France.
France. What is your name?
Baptiste.
My name is Mr. Iqbal,
Iqbal?
political leader of Pakistan People Party. He is the daughter of Zardari, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. He is my student.
You are is the chef here?
My student. He is my brother Raza.
Reza is your
Raza.
brother? Okay.
All our no speaking your English.
Yeah. I'm trying to speak Urdu, but I'm a beginner.
Oh.
Salam alaikum. क्या दे TikTok?
Yeah, yes. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam. ठीक ठाक. English